Chimney, hands, sing it. You know, every day, simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings. Your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessing.
Hey guys, what's up? I hope you guys are having a great day. It is going out. Your girl just got home. Just picked up the kids from school. And oh, my package came. So you guys, I got this package from Ilmakiage, and I will be testing out their product for the first time. See how it is. So it'll be my first time trying out their product. So, oh, it's just a stove. So yeah, your girl is in the kitchen, and I got my little helper here with me as usual.
Look at the potatoes.
So she's helping me cook.
Are you making rice for me?
She's doing, so she's peeling some potatoes for me, and your girl's about to season up some chicken. I am making some homemade fried chicken. So I wanted to make some home style fried chicken for today for dinner. Hubby's sleeping, he's on a night shift, so yeah, so it's just me and the kids. So that is what your girl is up to. So I'm actually excited to try this Ilmakiage, if I'm saying it right. I'm excited to actually open it to try it. Let me see if I can open it for you guys before I go. Actually, I'm gonna go season the chicken, and then I'm gonna come back and open up the package for you guys. Got the stuff here, so I'm all ready. I season up the meat, and I'm just going to dip them in here. So I will just start with the chicken breasts. I cut up the chicken breasts because they were huge. So I dip them in my mixture. I don't have the usual mixture that I put in here. I don't have all of it. So the usual that I put in my batter, I don't have all of it, but that's okay. I'm just going to do with what I have. Yeah, your girl's feeling under the weather today, and I'm a bit exhausted. So I was up late last night and got up and drove the kids into school and everything like that, and still had stuff to do, and still didn't get no proper sleep because after that I was up making some business call, doing some business stuff, but it's okay. And yeah, so I had quite a busy day, and by the time I fell asleep, got everything done, fell asleep, it was time to get up and pretty much go get the kids. So I just got up, did that, and now your girl is in the kitchen doing motherly duties, and yeah, just getting things done. So, but that's all right, it's okay. So I got my oil over there heating already, so I'm just gonna run through these chicken and get them in, so, and then I could start frying them. So then caught all over. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put these ones in the oil. Oh, they don't pop.
Like crackers. When we were at like our old school.
Okay guys, so I got my chicken in there frying, got the water on. So I am about to just finish up these chicken, and I will be back, and then we're gonna open up the package. Almost finished cooking dinner. As you see, my mashed potato is finished. I got my fried chicken here, and I made some sauce. I made my famous home sauce, so which is right there. Can't tell you guys what's in it, but yeah, oh Lord. So let me open this package. package. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so this is just the box it comes in, and ooh, okay, so that's what it looks like. Untraditional, uncompromising, and undeniable. The extra. So it comes with the Ilmakiage New York. I guess it comes with like little instruction stuff here, and the different shades and stuff like that. And then this is just the design inside. And then look at this package. So this is a different packaging, guys. I've never had this form of packaging before. Like even, yeah, for makeup. It's a little bit different. And what else is this? Okay. And I just think, okay, so it's just the invoice that it has. So packaging look nice. Here is tape. Let's open it. Oh shit. Okay guys, so I picked it up. So you open it. Oh look, it got suede on the inside. And then when you look inside, this is the so yeah, quite a big. I figure it would have just maybe came in this box, but this is actually suede inside. A little bit different. And this is it, guys. So let's see, it's called Woke Up Like This, made in Italy. Okay, so let me do a little bit of a swatch. Okay, so this is what it looks like, guys. It actually smells good. So I guess your girl's gonna go beat my face and see how it looks and how it dries. So I've been here, everybody been raving about this. Yeah, so everybody has been raving about this foundation. So I am definitely going to beat my face, and I will come back and let you guys know how it works. So we are about to eat dinner just now. Oh, I guess when you're closing it, you have to put it this way so it goes, it actually fits. See? So if it's like this, you could actually, it comes like as a little holder. All right. So that's pretty neat. You could have this, just put it somewhere on your dresser. Nice little thing. And you can reuse it as to wrap a gift. But yeah, guys, I am going to beat my face with this makeup, and I will let you guys know how it's done. I usually use NARS. NARS is my makeup. My go-to makeup is what I usually use. And I use Fenty as well. So those are my two usual makeup I use. So this is something new, but I'm going to try it and see how it goes. All right, so it's time to eat because your girl is hungry. So I'm gonna see if hubby's awake now. And yeah, we're probably just gonna watch a movie, and yeah, gonna eat, watch a movie, and then I gotta get some school stuff done. So yeah, we're just gonna probably eat, watch a movie, hang out, I think, and hubby's going to work. So if anything, I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace, guys.
So much money in the club. How much you spend with the ones you love? The simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings, your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessings. You pick it with the shoes by your feet. Now pick and